Hi, it's Joel from Chapman, and this is the new 5580C case. It's the same case as the master set, but has a new insert which holds 13 racks or 104 bits. This case is new as of February 2018, and if you order by Monday, February 11th, you get to choose your choice of a black or a yellow dipped ratchet. As I said, this case holds 13 racks or 104 bits, which is a lot more versatile than our master set case. It has the holes in the insert in multiple spots to accommodate a rack of Phillips bits, which are longer in different locations. It also holds a master set, all the tools in a master set, plus 3 racks, which gives you an additional 24 bits, or our 4-pack of ratchets and a ton of bits. As you can see, this case is very versatile, and you can lay it out pretty much however you want. And you can click the link below to purchase. Thank you.